Hey guys, it's TNN and today I'm going to go through a video of all the cheapest mods I have done to my Tesla Model Y through TEMU. Really, all the stuff I bought is from TEMU. So we're going to go ahead and go through it. We're going to start off with actually the most expensive one, get that out the way. Then the rest are all like around £15, £10 or less. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll start off with the outside of the car, then we'll make our way through the inside of the car for all the little mods that we have done to make Tesla a little bit better. And there's a few things I didn't like when I first got the car, and I knew I just, personal touch, some people may not like it, some people may. I like it, I like what I've done. You might not like it, you can, you know, slag me off in the comment section if you want, but you know, I like it, it's my car at the end of the day, and this is what I want to do. And I thought I'd share it with you, because it's really cheap mods, and it looks really good. So, starting off, I'm sure you all noticed, the original one is chrome. I've made it black, so I think it looks a lot better blacked out. It looks a bit more sleek and discreet with the grey. I think it goes really well. And even if you had a white one, I think it will look quite nice. And even the red Tesla as well, I think the black badge looks quite nice. So I've gone ahead and done that to the front and also to the back as well. So if you go to the back of the car, you've got the black badge on the back as well. Don't judge me, the car is really dirty. Please, don't judge me. So the next thing you will notice is the wheel caps. So normally I have Gemini wheel caps. I'll try and attach a picture of what Gemini wheel caps look like. But now I've put these wheel caps which I got from TEMU. Now this was the most expensive mod. I think it was around 120 quid. I'll try and put all the prices of everything in this bottom corner over here of every little mod that I've done. So that includes the price for the badges for the front, rear, and also the steering wheel as well, which I'll show you in a bit when we get to the inside. But the wheel caps, yeah, they were the most expensive one out of all of them. I did have to buy the center Tesla logo decal from eBay, which was about £5 because TEMU unfortunately didn't sell them, but TEMU did sell the wheel caps and they were around 100, 120 for all four, which to be fair is really, really good. They're not that bad. I mean, normally these wheel caps are about £400 for all four aftermarket ones, and if you're lucky you can probably get for like £300 if you're cheap. If you're lucky you can get for cheap, but TEMU was selling it for crazy cheap. I just had to buy it, and I think these ones look amazing. So you can get ones that look like the performance wheels, which I'll attach a picture now. So you can get wheel caps that look like the performance wheels, but I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to try and make it look like fake wheels. I just wanted it to look special and different. It almost looks like it's painted, but it's not. It's actually a cap. So that is one of my favorite mods, and that's the first thing I did actually when I got the car. The next mod I've done is the door handles. I've noticed so many times people go up to the car and they're like, especially at night, they can't find the door handle. It's really annoying. With this, glows in the dark, a lot easier to see. Really nice. Yeah, so I've done that to all four door handles. Again, this one is a hit or miss for some people. Some people prefer it to just be matte black. I mean, if you can't see it, you can't see it, which I sort of agree, and I might actually end up removing these as well because they do look a bit strange. But I promise you, at night time they look really cool, but during the day they do look a bit weird, a bit strange, so I might peel it off. But yeah, it's not for everyone, but you know, it's a lot easier, especially when you've got passengers at the back who can't find a door handle and they barely know how to use the door handle anyway. Quick tip to use the door handle if you've never used one that says the door handles, is you put your thumb here, push it, and you grab it like that. Easy as that. But almost didn't close it there. But yeah, this makes it a lot easier to see it in the dark. Through the outside, I've also curbed the wheel cap quite a bit there. That was quite a sad day when that happened. Also going around the car, I was thinking of buying some tints from TEMU. Let me know in the comment section what you think about some headlight tints and some rear light tints as well. And I've made the charged up sound when it locks the door. So there's also the rear light tints as well. And we've got a little, that is absolutely normal, guys. That's normal. That's just small little drops. More to that. Nothing wrong with that. So if we make our way to the inside of the car now, I haven't actually done anything to the back, to be honest with you. But I have done a couple of things on the inside. So, oh, it's really hot in here. Let's get that aircon blasting. Cool. Got some Bollywood music playing. So first thing you notice, black badge on the inside. So that was a free kit, front, back, and steering wheel. A lot of these things on TEMU you can't get it anymore, so I'll try and link everything down below, which I did get from TEMU. If I'm not, I'll put like eBay links or AliExpress, something like that, but I'll try and link everything that I got from TEMU. But you know, with TEMU sometimes the stuff goes, so even the links I put in the description, they may no longer be available, so I'm sorry about that. I did get Alcantara wraps for the gloss black bit, well not actually, it was actually matte black. The matte black bits for the steering wheel, I made it all Alcantara so it looks really nice. That way it also matches the pads here and also the pads in. These obviously come as standard, but this doesn't come as standard. So I'll try and attach a picture of the steering wheel, what it looks like normally and what it looks like now. To be fair, I probably should have done a video of me doing all these mods. Probably would have helped out a lot, but yeah. The other thing I done was I bought some camera covers. So I hate the feeling of being watched, and I don't know, I don't like it. So I have these camera covers where you can simply just slide it and cover it off. These are really cheap. So yeah, if you're interested in purchasing this, link to buy will be in the description for that one as well. But that was also one of the first mods I done when I got this car. The other one I done was also I wrapped these Alcantaras also. These were like a glossy grey sort of plastic. Well, not really, again I keep saying glossy, but it wasn't actually glossy grey. It was a grey sort of plastic. Again, I'll try and find a picture and I'll put it on the video of what it looked like before. But now I've wrapped it in this Alcantara, which was actually really simple and easy to do, and it was really cheap as well. So yeah, that's that. Don't judge me with all the rubbish inside the car. I'm sorry, I haven't cleaned it, please don't judge me. Let's go ahead and open it up. All this, like, whoever's original, you can't go wrong with whoever's original. Don't care what you say, they're so good. So I got this drawer set over here, which I thought was really cool. Really nice little drawer set, and I've got an OBD reader there. So simply goes in, slides around. Now you can get some from actual Tesla, but I just got this from TEMU. It was a lot cheaper and it does the job really. Got a little bin here. This bin's come with me since I had my first car, which was a Vauxhall Corsa. My first car, when did I have that? So that must have been, oh man, it's been a while, you know, 7 years ago. 7 years ago my first car was Vauxhall Corsa. It came with this, and then I banged that into my BMW 1 Series, which was my second car, and then my third car was a VW Golf, and I banged it to that car as well, and I use it as a bin. I don't smoke, for you guys who are wondering. It is a cigarette bin, but I don't smoke. I use it as a normal bin, and now it's in my Tesla, and I'll probably keep going and take it to every car I own. Other than that, on the inside, not really done much to the other interior parts. I kind of like the way they've done it. I am contemplating on getting these wrapped Alcantara as well, the wood, but I also kind of like the wood finish. It's quite nice. It's like a natural wood. You can really feel the material as well. Yeah, I don't know, I think that's quite nice. Let me know what you think. If you think I should wrap it or not, put it in the comment section, but I am debating it, but yeah, I don't know. Next thing I got was this phone mount. Now this one I actually got from Amazon, but you can get it from TEMU as well, and it's really cool. Easy, it's like a little button on the back. I can try it. Try and show you. Push the button, you can twist it, and the phone literally just slaps on it. In fact, I'll probably show you. I've got my other phone on me. Yes, I do. I got this magnet that you stick on the back of it. Otherwise, if you have your iPhone with a MagSafe, it works. But because I had this case, it wasn't really working well with MagSafe, so I put the magnet on the back of it, and then you literally just slap it on like so. Easy as, really. So next thing I done was the swivel screen, which I think is a really useful feature. Now the Tesla screen doesn't swivel or turn, it stays in a fixed position, and it's sort of like this position, and it's alright. It's like dead in the center, but when there's sunlight glaring onto the screen, you really can't see much, and it's like, it's so annoying because it's like I can't actually see the screen. And if I'm in the car on my own, or I'm watching a movie or a TV show or anything like that, I want to be able to swivel it towards me. So I went ahead and fit the swivel screen. It was actually really easy to fit. I have made a little YouTube Shorts video and a TikTok video on how to fit the screen. It's really simple, but it is one of the best things I have done. Again, you do need to be really careful when you do this stuff. Just make sure you do it right and you do it safely and you don't damage the car and anything like that, and then you can always revert it back to original as well if you don't like it. So it's not like a permanent modification, but I'll add the link for this as well down below. It doesn't swivel up and down, it only swivels left and right, but I don't really need it up and down. The only downside of this was the screen went a little bit lower when you fit them out, so it's a bit annoying. When you grab your phone, you sometimes do knock it against it, but yeah, it's not that bad. If you can get a screen protector for this as well, tempered glass, but I didn't get it because, I mean, what are the chances this is going to crack? I don't know what I'll be doing to crack this glass on the screen. You're probably poking it with something. There's no way you're going to crack this unless you're doing something that's a bit far-fetched. But other than that, that is pretty much it really, with all the modifications that I've done. We've got Hasbulla in the car, say hello. I think it makes it's small touches, but I think it makes the car look a lot better. But a few things I'm thinking about, let me know in the comment section what you think. Wrapping these in the Alcantara suede as well, keeping these or removing these, let me know what you think. And also with the front headlights and rear light tints, whether I should do it or not, let me know, put it in the comment section. And as always, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll link everything that I've got here, link to buys for all of that. And yeah, as always, thanks for watching.